You go to the fifth level, you're free forever.
Free, right.
You enjoy limitless freedom and bliss. You will never think of anything or going back or anything.
Please continue watching to find out more.
Supreme Master Ching Hai's lectures are not a complete meditation instruction. Please do not try alone. For free of charge guidance, please visit godsdirectcontact.org or contact any of our centers near you.
Today's episode will be presented in English with subtitles in Arabic, Aulacese, also known as Vietnamese, Bulgarian, Chinese, Czech, Dutch, English, Finnish, French, German, Hindi, Hungarian, Indonesian, Japanese, Korean, Mongolian, Nepali, Persian, Polish, Portuguese, Romanian, Russian, Spanish, Telugu, and Thai. Ces belles bagailles nous contrées, téléspectateurs bon cœur. Non, moi c'est Choukoun, moi c'est Monocaille dans le pays d'Haïti, yon pays que content. Peuple bienveillant nous, li fait ou songer avec affection, que ou même, aussi moun que moun remet en pile. République d'Haïti, chita sous île Hispaniola, dans gros archipel Antilles, dans nommé Caraïbes blanc. Li partager île là avec République dominicaine et li c'est une dans nation qui gagne plus population dans région Caraïbes là. Natif natalio peuple taïnoan, te les îles Haïti, qui veut dire côté qui gagne monde. Ça qui vient by non ça Haïti. Pays si la béni en pile, avec une belle coquine beauté naturelle. Par exemple, plage sable blanc attirant, monde vert d'un coup émeraude et cascade d'eau qui porte sérénité. Société moderne haïtienne, c'est un mélange culture qui sortit dans l'Afrique, dans les Indes, de l'Ouest et dans la France. Haïti gagne un patrimoine riche et unique qui sortit dans un gros mélange coutumes traditionnelles français et africains, avec une contribution importante pays l'Espagne à culture indigène taïnoyo. Haïtiens yo exceptionnellement chaleureux, amical, c'est des mondes généreux qui baillent pays un caractère spécial et charme. C'est un bel honneur pour moi partager un petit morceau dans culture Haïti à vous-même, téléspectateurs sincères. Nous la prions pour bon Dieu bénir vous en abondance, pour belle aide au bail prochain ou à tout remède en cœur. Pour plus passer 3 décennies, Maître Suprême Ching Hai porte illumination dans le monde nouveau grâce à enseignement divin. Étant un maître qui complètement illuminé, lui enseigner méthode Kuan Yin, une méthode de méditation à monde qui voulait découvrir immédiatement nature divine là qui en dedans yo et qui voulait accomplir que dans une seule existence la vie yo vient libérer éternellement de six transmigrations. Méthode Kuan Yin nan était pratiquée par tout maître éclairé autant que Bouddha, Confucius, Guru Nanak, Jésus-Christ, Lao Tzu, Seigneur Krishna, Seigneur Mahavira, Prophète Mohammed, la paix soit avec lui, et en pile l'autre. Il insistait en pile sur l'importance que depuis nous toujours songer bon Dieu, depuis nous rendre service désintéressé, by l'autre monde, depuis nous suivre loi qui dans l'univers, nous pourrons arriver à développer plus gros potentiel qui n'a en dedans nous. Et puis nous venons vraiment comprendre qui objectif nous te battre nous sur la terre. Maître Suprême Chinghai, c'est un monde qui bat un exemple vivant extraordinaire de compassion, qui régulièrement voyait assistance matérielle et financière, aussi bien que remenant que lui pour réfugiés, pour malheureux sans caillou, pour victimes des désastres naturels, et l'autre monde qui besoin de secours. Maître Suprême Chinghai, reconnaissant en pile, à bon Dieu bien-aimé, pour toute aide financière, pour tout confort et support envers malheureux, et monde qui n'ont besoin, envers ou soit pour n'importe qui bon cause pendant toute année si là, n'en servi comme humble intermédiaire de compassion et remède, lié gagnant pour précieux petit qui est. Maître Suprême Chinghai recevoir support et affection de plusieurs organisations, médias, gouvernements et individus, aussi bien que en pile prix dans meilleur tant que prix Gutsi 2006 pour la paix, qui considérait prix Nobel la paix dans l'hémisphère l'Est là, prix leadership spirituel mondial en 1994, prix Mahavir en 2008, 25 février à 25 octobre, tous les deux viennent proclamer journée Maître Suprême Chinghai, un citoyen honoré dans le pays États-Unis et la trier. Et plutôt, ils ont rendu hommage Bali pendant plusieurs années, ils ont remettre lui en pile prix, en pile compliment pour telles œuvres philanthropiques et humanitaires exceptionnelles qu'il a fait. Nous excusez-nous que nous pas capables de présenter tout l'autre prix à distinction, peut-être manque espace à temps. Lycéons porte-parole conséquent pour belles amis bêtes. Maître Suprême Chinghai encourager alimentation végétale qui portait la paix à crémer dans le cœur. Et puis tout, il fait belle vision dans le cœur pour l'humanité vienne prendre conscience que tout ça qui gagne la vie, est sacré tout. Pour un monde qui posé, qui glorieux, qui végétalien net alcoolé. Côté bête ak monde vivent dans une harmonie chargée contentement. Initiative d'été pour gagner tendance végétalienne très diversifiée. Par exemple, il y a un circulaire en vivant de l'autre façon qui te vient distribuer. et puis tout, chaîne internationale de restaurants végétaliens Loving Hut, société production manger végétalien, imitation pour bêtes qui était faite à plantes, chaîne télévision Supreme Master Television, ensemble avec vin communiquer régulièrement à leader gouvernement influent yo, avec leader média yo, et participation sur une conférence télévisée sur changement climat. Nous ne sommes pas au courant nécessairement de tout ça yo, cependant tout effort qui était fait yo, produit une influence considérable et réveiller conscience tout partout dans le monde. Sur qui j'en nous qu'à vivre d'une façon qui est bienveillante pour bête yo, et qui j'en façon bienveillante ça, capoter la paix durable parmi toutes nations, aussitôt ça qu'a sauvé planète nous contre changement climatique et contre calamité. Depuis plusieurs années, Maître Suprême Ching a été voyagé à travers le monde entier, depuis les Amériques, jusqu'en Afrique, sautant dans l'Europe, arrivé dans l'Océanie, était organisé des centaines de rencontres dialogues avec le public là et avec disciples sur différents sujets spirituels. Jodi, nous joignons bénédiction présentez-nous une conférence révélatrice qui relève la grâce suprême bon Dieu vient révéler. Partie 3 sous 5 sur rencontre maître avec disciples présentée en anglais le 25 février 2005.
Oh, wait, there's some sister here first, no? Is that? Yeah, over there first and then go over there. Ah, you're getting excited now, eh? Sit there now, look at that. Ah, yeah.
I just wanted to share.
Yeah, the sugar, maybe your level. This is the sugar level. Yes.
I just wanted to share with you, I had a dream yesterday morning before I got a call from contact person from my country that I was getting 2 bags of blessed candies from you.
Yes, you dream like that.
Yeah. So then I
Before,
woke up.
yeah.
Before. So then I woke up and our contact person told that there is something happening here if I want to go, and I was like, sure, I want to go. I think I'm already there because this dream is kind of.
Forewarning.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
So you expect the 2 bags?
They expect 2 bags of candy.
I was actually 2 weeks here before because there was initiation and I was getting bags of candies also. This time I was connecting, I was trying to connect those bags now, but I couldn't. So this time was really strong.
Yeah, okay. Cool. Yeah, good. Next one there. The England, UK, wherever, Ethiopia. Come
Hi, Master. The last couple of questions from the brothers from England, it whetted my appetite, so I can answer you. Asking about the nature of God. Yes. The other Indian brother there.
Oh, they whet your appetite?
Yes.
Go to the main course.
You were talking about the different levels of beings up to the 5th level, and the 6th, 7, 8, 9 level, all of this, but they're different beings. Let me just step back from this and to tell you an experience I had a while ago. I was out of a job and I really prayed hard to get a job. And God threw me like a grain of sand. It was nothing to Him. And He said, "Is that all you want?" And I thought, what does He mean? Is that all I want? Then I realized that my goal was the person who is casting the grain of sand, not the grain of sand. But then everything seemed to be clear that our goal was to achieve the 5th level, and that's maybe our destiny for us beings who belong to the 5th level, Christian 5th levels. I was wondering.
You are destined to be on the 5th level?
I don't know now. No, I said I thought that was our goal, to achieve that, and then it's happy. Well, I think maybe that's the step. Now you're telling me there's these other aspects of God. The 5th level beings they have no concept or experience of. Is there possibility for us to experience those other? Wow, that's amazing. The fact there isn't. Wow.
Sorry.
Tell me, I don't mind. I'm quite happy to just go. I'll try harder now.
Well, of course, up to now you don't know anything about it.
Yeah.
Because nobody has been beyond the 5th level.
Right.
And before that, I cannot tell you this either. What would you... Listen, I mean, what would you know about it, you know?
Right.
Now you've grown up enough, I could tell you.
Yeah.
It's just like a royal palace, okay?
Yeah.
You belong to England, you are English citizen, but you're not always allowed to see the king and the queen and the other royal family.
Okay.
They have heritage of royalty.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
Okay? Even if they knight you
Yeah.
to become a royalty, you come in and out just up to a certain level only, eh? You don't go into the palace.
That's so amazing.
The queen's chamber, no.
Yeah, I understand that.
Or you cannot become a king or queen or thing like that, okay?
Yeah, but it's not even. But can we meet them or see them in some experience?
You are seeing one.
That's why I'm excited really today. I know that is true. That's amazing.
It is, huh?
Yeah, really. Well,
The world, the universe is limitless.
yeah,
Not just 5 level.
yeah.
That's only for the beings who has been created.
Right. Created beings.
Yeah.
That's key. So, but when we go back, are we not uncreated again? I mean, or do we just join back?
You go to the 5th level, you're free forever.
Free, right?
You enjoy limitless freedom and bliss. You will never think of anything or going back or anything.
But is that necessarily a good thing? Because God created us and created this separation, right, for us to struggle and experience. So if we go back there, sometimes when I meditate a lot, I feel peaceful and I think, I better go and eat something or take a walk or do something else, to just have some experience. So if we go back home to our 5th level where we belong, where we never have a thought of doing anything else, is that a good thing? I mean, I don't know, is that...
And you can always come back here.
No, I mean, I don't want to.
You can come back here to be of help.
Yeah.
Many planets,
Right.
walking around the whole universe.
But through merit, then can you then achieve... Oh, you can't. We're always destined to be in the created souls, right? To live in the light.
It's different.
Yeah.
This is different, okay? The created one is not really that God create, not the God Almighty, huh? But there's always like energy. There's always grosser energy and finer energy. You understand me?
Yes.
Like oil or petrol.
Yes.
It's always the refined one and the what? The crude oil.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
They use for a different purpose.
Ah.
The crude oils came from the refined
Right.
petrol and or whatever, but it cannot be back to the refined.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It just stay like that. Huh?
So we're like in a colony, we're like the worker ants or something like that.
The water?
In the colony of the ants. They have a structure. There are some warriors, there are some workers, they have the queen.
Yeah.
So we are like that in
I guess so.
God's aspect, yeah? At the gross level.
I guess so. I'm not sure. It's just complicated because in everywhere there's always some element which is like that. For example, the stones
Yeah.
stay like that, okay? Oh, it's so difficult. How do we do this? In the universe, just like everything else, whatever the lighter and finer stay on top.
Yeah.
Everything heavier stay down there.
Yeah, okay.
Sometimes a glass of water have so much calcium or some deposit in it, and you let it stay for a while, and you try, even though it's dirty, but you try hard to let it stay. The lowest one the heaviest go down, then you use the top one.
Yeah.
Or the creative being cover or mix with all kind of deposit, no?
Okay.
So God tried to screen up whatever He can.
Yeah.
Yeah, to put it back there
Right.
for use.
Okay.
Not to enjoy that He is a clean water. Whatever too gross, too dirty, too muddy, then just have to let it be there. Yeah?
Okay.
But some water has never been in contact to the mud. So it's always
Yeah.
beautiful and clean.
Okay.
Yeah? You alright now? Or
Thank you,
anything
Master.
else you want to
I
ask?
think as I develop
Think about
practice
it.
through my whole future
Okay.
forever, I'll understand more.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Anybody else? Yeah, there.
Master, may I come back to the question about the fifth level and above? Have I understood correctly? We can only arrive to fifth level as human. And after we arrive to the fifth level and we die, can we progress from the fifth to the sixth and above?
No.
I still want to smuggle.
No. Crude oil, remember? You can't even hardly reach the fifth and you already want to go to the sixth. Impossible. There are some countries that don't accept foreigners, you understand? And that's it. Why? Why you want to go there? You can't. You'll be explode into smattering and you'll be nothing anymore. Can't even reach the border before you already become dust. Understand me? It's not that I don't let you, or the sixth level don't let you. Your beings are not fit. The way you are, you're not fit to bear that kind of powerful energy. You understand me? Likewise, even the sixth people, just say the sixth level people, they go down to lower level, below the fifth, they cannot bear. They suffocate. They cannot bear. It's just different level of energy and fineness. And there are different structure, okay? All cars are good. Mercedes made different. Rolls-Royce constructed, for different things, or from different things. Yeah? And there's some tank constructed for war. Yeah? Even sometimes grenade or something are shooting into that tank. Useless. The soldier is safe in there. And the submarine going down, even the Rolls-Royce or the most expensive car that costs $1 million cannot go down like a submarine. No matter how expensive that airplane or car, it cannot go down. Different things for different things. Alright? Yes? But go to the fifth level. You will happy. You like it. You like it.
Master, I just thought that you came down to the fifth level for us, so you must care about us. So that's enough for me.
Yes.
Yeah, that's enough for me. Yeah. All as beings. Yeah. I was under the concept that when we went to the fifth level, our energy would be dissipated back into the original form of God, and then recreated in whatever form He felt like it. Yeah, that's my misconception. No,
Possible also, but it's not like that. You retain your individuality, and you enjoy.
In the soul form.
Yeah, without individuality, what's the use of creation and what's the use of God's love and power if you don't even feel it?
Sure.
You become nothing. What's the use of that? Okay?
This is a fascinating subject. Is there any information on this in this world? No. You're probably the only source of this information, right? There's no books on this anywhere, is there? That's so amazing, That's the first time, now it's opened my mind into the beauty of the journey, really. Yeah.
It's those things is incredible. It's beyond anything that you ever can understand or imagine.
Yeah, that's amazing.
But fifth level is good, or my God.
So for you can choose any corner of the creation.
Of course.
But this creation, does it always exist? I mean, does it Because I understood that the creation is created for some time.
Oh, that is between the three worlds, astral world and all that.
But the higher levels forever exist.
Forever, baby.
Wow, amazing.
Amazing,
Wow,
eh?
yeah, forever. Wow, that's a long time.
Forever. Never destroyed.
Will we meet you again? Can we see you again?
What for?
When we go up
You're
there.
free already.
I know, but just talk with you about these stories of seven
I don't
levels.
think if I finish with this work this time, I don't think I have time to come back down to see you.
No.
On the fifth level,
I don't
yeah.
want to come back. Oh, yeah.
No.
Alright. But because we can't go up to you, you don't want to come to us. So. That's enough. I'm happy. If you can get me to fifth level and go home, I'm happy already. I'm not complaining.
You will get it. You will get it in time.
Okay.
Even if I'm gone and you are only third level, fourth level, you will go up because you're my disciple.
I will try harder now.
So you don't even need to try hard. You'll get there.
All right. Thank you
Because
again.
you're my disciple.
All right. Wow, amazing.
When you go to the fifth level, your desire is not like what you're having now.
Yeah, I figured it out.
You will, even though you don't see me, you will feel one with God. You will feel happy, content.
Yes.
You
That's
will not
it.
desire-
That's all I need. Yeah.
You will not desire to see any physical form of God.
Yeah, that's right. I didn't mean the physical form of you, Master.
Yeah.
I meant the energy form.
Understand.
Yeah.
You will not desire.
Wow, that's good.
Besides, when you see the king of your country, the fifth level Lord, you think he's God already.
Okay.
You will not even think that there is a higher God than this.
Well, that's what was my belief. Right. Wow.
Many people reach the third level and can actually face the, Brahma, the third level God.
Okay.
They don't think any other God higher than that.
Okay.
Ever.
Yeah, and I understand that.
So they came
Mental
home. Yeah, you met one?
No, at mental level, I understand that. Yeah.
And then, therefore, many people who preach about this absolute God, that's the third level. And they really believe it.
Yeah.
Not like they're telling you lie.
Yeah.
So imagine you go to the fifth level, the time you see the Lord of the fifth level, you have no more desire for anything else.
Okay, that's great.
Yes.
Yeah.
But because you know me, so you will remember that there is a higher being.
Yes.
Otherwise, other beings, if they don't know me, they're just content with the Lord. My God, they worship Him.
Yes. Okay.
He's so glorious and so brilliant and so benevolent, so loving, so kind, so compassionate, so beautiful, so magnificent that you can't even think anymore of anything else.
Yeah, that's
You
right.
just take your mind away, your breath away, all your desires gone.
Okay.
Bỏ sông xưa người vùng địa đàng sao quỳ sám hối bằng việc làm chi một chút